Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been making love.
Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! In today's video, we are going to be taking down all of the Christmas decorations, decluttering and organizing a couple spots in the house, and then we're just going to be hitting up the dishes. If you need some serious cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. Let's get started. I cannot believe we are in 2026 already. Where has the time gone? How are your holidays? Any new traditions? Did you do some of the things that you always do? What does your holiday season normally look like? Because we moved this year, things definitely felt different, but it was really special. I'm so happy to be pretty much settled in this place as we enter the new year. We're just so looking forward to all the memories that we will make in this new place. That being said, I am definitely relieved that we have reached the end of the holiday season so that we can get back to our normal routine, get the house reset, and just get everything fresh and ready to go. The kids and I took some time the other night to sit and reflect on 2025 and write out some of the things that we wanted to work toward in 2026. So that was a great exercise, especially being in this new environment. Just breathes new life into our goals and aspirations. Now to totally skip the subject and talk about what I'm actually doing, what you're actually watching. I am clearing out this space, so took out all of the Christmas decor and wiped everything down. I'm trying to decide if I want to put two bar stools here. You'll see in a little bit, once I move the Christmas tree, this spot is so bare. I was thinking about putting two poofs or ottomans, those little storage ottomans, like the round ones, here for additional seating. But I don't know if it makes more sense to do a bar stool here or what. But then it's like during the holidays, I guess I can just move the bar stools down to the basement when the tree is here. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Because my nails have gotten so long, I can't pick up these little ornament hooks off the floor easily, so I asked for a little help.
No trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. You feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, gave me so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. Cause the remedy, I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly.
been thoroughly enjoying our living room. As you can see, all the stuff that has ended up underneath of the couches already. But we have been hanging out here, watching TV, reading here. I do think we need some sort of coffee table. I was thinking like an oval shape to go long ways with the longer couch. With the Christmas tree here, it definitely felt more cramped. The idea of a coffee table was a bit overwhelming, but I think without the Christmas tree, which is going to be the case most of the time, obviously a Christmas tree is only here for about a month and a half, but without the Christmas tree here, a coffee table makes more sense. We do need a place to sit down drinks at the very least, you know? So I don't know. We're on the hunt for one. Now we're moving on to this closet that is right as soon as you come up the stairs. It has become an extension of our very small and narrow pantry that we have on the other side of the refrigerator. And this is where all the chip boxes come to die. All of the chips that the kids don't necessarily like, and then they go off, they expire eventually. So we have all these boxes, which I told them I'm not buying any 50 bag boxes of chips anymore. So we're gonna go back to, anyway, I digress. You all understand. I'm clearing out the closet and then I'm going to add a shelf to this closet just so that we can organize it a little bit better and utilize the space, because as you saw, there's a bunch of space in here just to dump things, and I think the shelf just makes it a bit more functional. You can see things better, and I have an additional place to store dry goods and things that don't need to be refrigerated. So I really love how this came out. And another thing is, when I ordered this shelf off Amazon and it came, I just asked my 14-year-old to build it for me. And I think that's the first time he's ever built or put something together like this on his own, 100% on his own. And we may be late to the game on that, but I must say I was very proud of him and he was proud of himself. We did go to the grocery store this day, so here is a clip of them helping out putting the eggs away. And then we're moving on to dishes. This candle smells so good. It is the Calm scent from Walmart.
Still mine, wanna pass some time. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you stay.
Now we're moving on downstairs. One thing that I have gotten used to living in this house with so many floors and utilizing all of these floors is going from floor to floor. So I start at the top and then put things on the stairs and then take them from those stairs to the bottom stairs. So I'm not constantly running all the way up and all the way down, even though that's great exercise. But anyway, as you saw, I threw a little laundry in just to be efficient with my time since I'm down here. And then all of the Christmas decor that I took out of the living room and other areas of the house, I'm just packing those up. Eventually, I want to redo this entire system I have going here. I have a few different seasons mixed all together in these bins. I think Christmas may have one larger bin for the larger stuff, but I do want to redo this stuff and figure out a better storage situation. But here, I'm just kind of moving things around and reconfiguring things to maximize the space, because I also use this area as my little home gym. And speaking of which, I got a weight rack for Christmas, so I'm going to put that together and then organize all of my dumbbells so they're not just on the floor scattered everywhere all the time. See that box in the bottom right hand corner? Like, I'm opening a box, but then there's another box there. There's actually two boxes stacked on top of each other. Those are the TV stands that I ordered and came. And well, okay, I ordered one TV stand and then I tried to put it together, saw that it was broken, reached out to the company. They send another TV stand, but by the time I received the second TV stand, I already bought the TV stand that I have. So anyway, you see those boxes. They are now gone. I was able to sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Well, I sold one of them and then just gave the other one, since I knew it had broken pieces in it. I just gave it to the person who bought the one that was unopened. I must say, starting out the new year with a refresh of my workout space, my little home gym space, has been great for me. It's like buying a new workout outfit motivates you to go to the gym. I've been so excited to be down here just because it's so organized. And with that, we are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.